Okay, in this video, we're going to go over advanced reports. Advanced reports are a unique set of reports in Last Call that allow you to look at multiple timeframes, multiple measures, as well as to choose your columns that you wish to appear in the report. Unlike other reports in Last Call where we have chosen to give you one time frame and one measure, we've also in those other reports basically given you the set of columns in that report with really no option to pick and choose what appears. So in the advanced reports, you go into your dashboard. Across the top, you're going to go into the advanced section. You've got advanced product performance, brand performance, account, territory, agent, and supplier. Clicking into product performance as an example, this would provide me a table with products. So in this case, right, if I look at all 705 locations, again, multiple timeframes, so I could say, okay, I want to see R1 and rolling 13. Maybe I want hectoliters and cases. All of our typical filters, I'm just going to go and select beer in this case. But then the options are the big piece. So as I mentioned earlier, you can decide to for columns to appear or not. So you get to pick and choose which columns appear or don't appear in your report. And that will happen with your options. So I've expanded the options. Here I've chosen sales volumes for current periods. Current periods means this year values. So for my two timeframes, it would look at R1 and R13 this year. If I wanted the prior year for the same time frames, I would choose off priors. We've got change, that's absolute change between those two numbers, and percent change. Important to note, you don't need to select currents or priors to calculate change or percent change. So if you just wanted current period sales volumes with percent change, that is an option. You've also got share, rate of sale, distribution, percent distribution, inventory, and product details. These options will change as you move through the different advanced views. But to run this report, give you an idea of what this report looks like by selecting my two timeframes, my two measures, and then my two options here of sales volumes for current periods and then percent change. So here's my data table. I've got R1 hectoliters this year, percent change, R1 cases this year, percent change, and then rolling 13 hectoliters and cases this year, percent change for both. And that's the advanced views.